Good morning, guys. Yesterday I have selected some of the stocks in Nifty, and I have promised to you all that I'm going to give you the labels where you can buy or sell on these stocks. So yesterday we have selected Sun Pharma and Bharati Airtel for the selling options. So here let me see about the 15-minute candle chart. Guys, the labels which I am going to provide you and which I am going to provide you is also used by me in a stock market when I sell something or buy something. So I hope that will be helpful for you. So here simply showing that when market opens, with the price action you can see there has been price action of selling, so you can sell, or if the market open on the same position which a day before yesterday it has closed, then you can sell the market as the time of market open, and your stop loss would be I see your stop loss would be like this position, because it is possible that if it is possible that the operator may work in it, and if you put your stop loss up 541.50, then operator can easily take the stock up to 541 and your stop loss may be gone. But if you put little bit higher on the stop loss, then it is little bit I don't say impossible, but it will be little bit difficult to put to take the stock up to that position. So I simply say that you put your stop loss around 545 around, then and your target must be 520 approximately. First it will be your second target, but first target will be your 528. That is a 10 point move that you can capture from Sun Pharma if the market goes on downside. Okay, so if Nifty and Bank Nifty shows that they are going on a downside positions, then you can sell them. Okay, now see Bharti Airtel. If you put 5-minute candle chart, then it is simply showing that it is coming downgrade. This is one resistance, and here it has and day before, yes, from 2 days onward it has tried level best to take the stock on upward side, but it failed. So I am thinking for the selling options for these stocks, and if a market goes up, means gap up. If the market means in Bharti Airtel stocks open with a gap up, then I will immediately sell in this in these stocks and put my stop loss up to here 560.9, means 561, and my target would be, it will be my first target 549, and it will be my second target. It can go below that second target, because there is it will be my second target. I will not plan much more that, because here there is a support, there is a support, then it is possible that it can go up from these positions. So here is the Bharti Airtel. I am planning for selling in these stocks. So let's go for the buying options in some of the stocks. And guys, I want to I want to remind you one thing, that we will take the stocks on the basis of a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Means if the Bank Nifty shows there is a uptrend, then I will go for the buying option of these stocks, and if the Bank Nifty shows the selling option, then we simply sell them. I will not going to buy on them. So let's consider about TechM. So it has a showing support here, and if a market gap up of, and these are the multiple resistance, and it has this time it has failed the failed this resistance point, and this time also it's a failed the resistance point. and I believe that if this if Monday these stocks gap up opened, then it is going to simply become a very good target for you. You can plan for 1:5 or 1:6. So if a market open in between this position, mean 677 or 687, then I will simply buy these stocks and put my stop loss up to here 673.9, because here is a support, here is a support, and if you plan for 1:5, then you simply put your stop loss up to here or here, then it will be very much easy for it will be very much difficult for the operator to bring the stocks up to this level and take your stop loss. So I will be planning, the target would be my 699 will be my first target, and second target will be 720. If it's break this level, then it will go very high. Okay, so that will be the analysis of TechM, and we will going to take these stocks if the stock market going to be high on the day of Monday. So okay, let's delete the browser. Guys, it has shown the multiple resistance up here. Let us see. If you draw a trend line up of resistance, so you can see that the stock cannot able to pull up from this position 721, and it has hit this position multiple times, one, second and third time, but it failed to push the stock price above this level. And if the market has been shown a gap up opening, then I am going to buy these stocks and put the stop loss up to this position 712. And I believe that if the market push up from this position, then it can give you much higher levels, means it can go very high to up to 730. So you can easily able to catch up 10 to 20 points from this stock if you buy this, and that will be enough for the stock for one day, and your profit is to loss also be very 1:5 approximately. So it will be very better options. It will be good options for you. Let's see Cipla. Okay, there is a net problem, guys. Hold on a second. Okay, Cipla has where is the Cipla? Yes, it is the stock of Cipla actually. Okay, let's see UPL. Yes, UPL is showing a better options, but I don't think that the UPL will going to be high, because here there was a resistance up here. It has tried to push away the resistance, means stock up from this position, but it failed. But here it has trying again. So if market gap up opens in this stock, then I'm going to simply buy it and put my stop loss up to here, and I can plan for 1:5. If the market if it's break 485, and my stop loss would be on 474 or 471, because there is a multiple support from here, and there is only one resistance, which is 485. So if first target will be 485 and my second target will be 490 to 95 approximately. Okay, let's see of the MMM stocks. It has shown a simple look at that. It has created a big green candle on a last 5-minute candle chart. So I am simply seeing that it will go very high when the market will go up, going to open. So it will be gap up opening, and I will wait for the stocks in the position which I need to. I will wait for the stock to come the price to a proper level, means this is the proper level. Okay, that will be the proper level where stocks is good for buying for a trader. So if the stocks come to these positions, or it is the support level position, then I am simply going to buy it. And if the stocks doesn't come up to this position, then I am simply going to ignore it. So that will be the resistance level, and it is probability that stocks will go to 625 on a first target, and you can plan for much higher target after achieving these positions. So I will simply say that if the stocks go to 625, then you trail your stop loss to 620. Then you wait for the price action and then book the prices. Okay, that will be enough. In the IndusInd Bank, look at the IndusInd Bank. It is very good position. It is considerably staying at a consolidation. After a fall from continuous 2 days, it has shown a little bit consolidation at that day and ready for go high. So the level will be for buying will be 524 to 525, and my stop loss would be on 515. So the first target will be my 540. That will be my first target, and second target will be my 560. It will not go to 560, but I will simply buy my I will book my profit on 550, and there will be profit RR ratio will be my 1:3 ROA ratio. If you book your profit on 540, there will be 1:3 RA ratio. That is good enough for an intraday trader. And let's see about ICICI Bank. Yes, ICICI Bank is a very good position of a breakout. You can see the trend line which has shown the multiple support of support here, 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 and now it has planned for going to for uptrend. And you can also see the volume. The people are in last 15 minutes just people have simply bought the stocks and keep that for the Monday opening. So I believe that when the market opens at Monday, that it will be gap up, and there will be little bit profit booking. So in the beginning of some 15 to 20 minutes, you didn't buy the stock. You wait for the peoples to book up their profit, and when the stocks come to a particular position, this position 347, then it will be very good option for you to buy. Hope you like the video. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. That's all for today.